Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to talk about low float stocks. I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own low float stock scanner using the Thinkorswim platform with TD Ameritrade. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you can create your own, okay? Um, Also, for those of you guys that are new, my channel is all about investing. I oftentimes will do a lot of things on price predictions. So if that's something you guys are interested in, you're going to want to watch my videos because I do price predictions on crypto and stocks, and I'll show you how I do it. And I don't have all these complicated, long, drawn out indicators that you guys are constantly having to go, I'm jumping in now, okay? It makes you look at things a little bit differently. So keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead, we'll get started, and let me share my screen with you guys just a second. Boom. Okay, let's see here. So, real quick, before I get started, let me let this disappear. So here's my channel real quick. If you click on my username at the bottom of this video, you'll come to this. And if you click on videos, you'll come to my video library and you'll be able to see what I'm doing on my price predictions, okay? So feel free to go check those out. I do have some other scanners, scanner tools, walk through step by step that you guys can take a look at. All right, let's see here. Boom. Okay, so we're going to do low float stocks. We're going to create a scanner, and what we're going to be looking for is a limited number of stocks. We're going to be looking for a limited supply, okay? And then we're also going to look for something that has a high level of volume, okay? So about low float stocks, for those of you guys that don't know, essentially low float stocks primarily benefit day traders, not swing traders, day traders who are interested in earning large profits in a short amount of time. They're going to be very volatile, guys, so it is risky. You got to be able to move quick. But basically what you do is you find these stocks, you'll use the scanner I'm about to show you how to use. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look in the news and you're going to analyze the news. If there's positive news going on, this stock could jump quickly. If there's negative news going on, this stock could drop quickly. So you want to definitely do your research, okay? So let me go ahead. I'm going to keep moving here. Thinkorswim. Okay, guys, I'm in my Thinkorswim platform. And this is what I want to do. Up here at the top, you'll see these tabs up here. The chart, you'll see monitor, trade, analyze, scan, market watch, charts. What you want to do is you want to click on scan, okay? There it is. And then over here on the right side margin, you'll see a little flame. It says sizzle index, okay? I want you to look to the right of that. There's another little area that has 3 lines next to it. If you guys could click on that, and then click load, scan, query. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go to create scan query. Okay? You'll see this pop-up load up. And what I want you to guys do is to first name it. I want you to call it low float scanner. And you'll see in here that we've got just one item showing up. You might have more, but what I want you to do is just below this gray area here, if you slide your mouse down, you'll see your mouse kind of change. So what we want to do is we want to click and grab it and drag it down because there's stuff in there. That little window is wider than what they're showing. Okay, so let me get my piece of paper here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear out these other ones. I'm only going to leave one of them in there. I'm going to X that one out, the third one. I'm going to X it out right there again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this one. I'm going to click it from net change and I'm going to go to last. Hold on a second. It's very delicate. Last. Okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go $1. And over here I'm going to go $20. And keep in mind, you can go whatever you want. If you want to come in here later and change it, you can. But for now, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, then I'm going to click Add Filter because we want to add more. I'm going to click Add Filter. I'm going to choose Stock. Okay, so now I have 2 stocks here. And this time what I'm going to choose is I'm going to choose Volume. And then I'm going to scroll down to Volume. There it is. Bam. There it is. And so for Volume, I'm going to go 100,000 there. And on the max, I'm going to leave it empty. Okay? And you'll see here on the matches, at first, just on the last, it comes up with 11,159. Once I added in the second filter, it brought it down to 7,396. Let's go add another filter. And on this one, I'm going to choose stock again. And this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to shares. So scroll down to the S's, and there it is, shares. And on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it at 0. So I'm going to click on that box first. The 0 appears. and then I'm going to do 20 million. 2 0 1 2 3 1 2 3, and you guys can change that at any point in time if you want to. Now it's brought it down from 5272 down to 4089. Okay, now we're going to add the last component. Okay, so if this video is helping you, if you're looking at it and it's making sense and you're following along, please look down below the video. There's a thumbs up icon. If you guys could just quickly click that with your finger or tap it with your mouse, it helps me out. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and it also lets me know that you guys are valuing what I'm providing you. Okay, so let's keep moving. I'm going to go up here and add again. I'm going to add my fourth and final filter. So I'm going to click Add, but this time I'm going to choose Study. Now, if you guys are on your paper trading account, you're not going to be able to create the study. It blocks you. I don't know why they block you, but they block you. So you'll have to do it on your real account, okay? So click Study, and here it is. Over here, and I'm going to change this from ADX crossover, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go down here to volume, and then over here on the right it has another drop down. I'm going to go unusual volume, and there it is, and then over here I'm going to click it in this box, volume increased by at least, and that 20 I'm going to change to 50, and it says percent from its typical average over. And instead of 50, I'm going to change it to 30. Okay? So now I've got everything that I want the way I want it. Let's see if I can move this up here. And then what I do is I click Save. Okay? And it's going to save it. And I'm going to show you guys how to load it. So for you guys that are watching this video, click Save. I'm going to back out of it as if I saved it because I've already created this video a few times and I had a couple of bugs when I was going through editing. So I'm doing it. I'm going to load it up on my end. So click Save. And in just a second, I'll show you how you can load it up. Okay, so I'm clicking Cancel. So then what I do is I come up here, and to the right of the little fire on the right-hand corner, again, up in the top right corner, says Sizzle Index. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to, I clicked on it, but I don't need to click on it. I want to click on to the right. Those right there, Show, Scan, Query, those three lines going across, okay? I click on that, and then I go Load, Scan, Query, and this time I'm going to go to Personal. Right there, and you'll see it. Personal, it's right over here. Low float scanner. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the first one I created. And I have other scanners, guys. If you guys go into my inventory on my YouTube channel, and then you do a search on my inventory for the keyword scanner, you'll see some other ones. I have some gapping up for the days, for those of you guys that are day traders. I've got some RSI scanners you guys can go watch. Okay, so I've loaded it. It says up here, low float scanner. Now what I need to do is I need to scan. So over here on the right side margin, click Scan, the green button right here, and watch them load up. Okay? Now they're up. Now I can sort if I want. If I want to sort by last, I can click on last, and it sorts it by price. If I want to sort by net change, I can go net change, or I could go percentage change. If I click on it once, it's red. If I click on it twice, it loads by the green. Okay? And I'll see here, BWV, look at that change. It's been moving up. So I can come in here and I can watch these stocks. I can also go over here on the left side of my screen here, and in the live news, I can come over here and I can take a look at it. So BWV. If I come up here and I type in BWV, and I click Enter, there's the news for BWV, and I can go in here, click on those, and up pops a little window. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can, it shows me the news for the day, okay? And I can go research it. This allows me to quickly find stocks that are low float stocks, that are highly volatile. They might be moving up. You might be able to make a lot of money. Also watch out for negative news, okay? So make sure you guys check these. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Down in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen you're looking at, there's a little red box. Click the subscribe button, and then when it pops up with the bell, choose all so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. But please, go watch some of my other videos. And you guys can check me out on Instagram too. My username is Investing Points with an S, Investing Points. You guys can go follow me over there too, okay? Thanks guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.